This video focuses on how to use the Crayon tool in Sketchpad 5.1. The Crayon tool is under the marking tools icon where you will find the pen and pencil. So whatever image is there, that's still where it's going to be located. Click on whatever image is there. It could be a feather pen, calligraphy pen, could be a pencil, a pen, crayon, whatever's there. The location here is where you're going to click. Come down here, click on your triangle, choose crayon. Here it is. And it will allow you to draw as if you're using a crayon. And as you may know with crayons, sometimes the colors aren't, the coating is not very even. When you color with crayons, you may still see some little white pieces of the paper showing through the crayon because it's not as evenly, doesn't coat as evenly as a paint or a marker. So they try to give you that effect. So again, you can choose your color of your crayon from down here and you can start coloring with it. And you can see how the texture effect looks more like a crayon's texture. You can change the size of your crayon down here where it says size. So if you wanted to make a picture and have it look more like a crayon drawing, you can use that effect. Now remember, Sketchpad 5.1 works if you use a mouse on your computer or if you use the mouse pad on your computer. But of course, if you're using the mouse pad with your fingers, you may need to hold down a part of the pad and then use your other finger to do the coloring. So you click on the pad with one finger and press down with the other one. That may be how your mouse pad works also. Again, with the crayon, I can still choose linear patterns to color with. I can choose radial patterns. Well, I can't choose radial patterns. As you can see, this indicates you can't choose that. I can choose other patterns here and color with that. And again, you can change the size of your crayon marks. The fill tool allows you to, I'm going to change back to, let's say I use a black crayon and I make it skinnier. The fill tool allows you to fill in the area inside of your line. So I'm still using the crayon to do the outline, but the inside is going to be whatever the pattern is or the color is that I've chosen from the fill tool area. So you wouldn't use this again. You wouldn't use this if you're just drawing with the crayon. If you're just drawing a picture, but you don't want to color the inside of it, then you would not need the fill tool. And to turn it off, click on that little teardrop shape and make it go back to 0%. That means there won't be anything filled in when you draw. So if I'm just drawing with the crayon, as you can see, now only the outline color is showing. So, and I can change that, remember, by just clicking on there. So that is how you use the crayon tool in Sketchpad 5.1.